Located hours from the nearest highway in the Nez Perce National Forest, Dixietown is a year-round recreation haven surrounded by incredible mountain scenery. In Dixietown, you can land 1 block from Main Street and then have breakfast in an historic mining community where the true spirit of America is firmly rooted. There's a reason Dixietown has survived booms and busts since Civil War times. This nugget is one of the most popular backcountry destinations in Idaho. It provides an ideal base for backcountry pilots to explore the magnificent majesty of the Rocky Mountains.